Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how you can upload videos to Google Drive and share link. So if you're visiting my channel for the first time, then please consider subscribing. Now without further delays, let's get started. First of all, to upload a video on Google Drive, make sure that you have already installed the Google Drive app from the Play Store. So if you have not yet installed the Google Drive app, then you can open App Store and from here you can simply install the Google Drive app. Okay, so here you can see I have already installed the Google Drive app. So here I will simply click on this open. So there are two options you can upload a video to Google Drive. Either you can select this plus option from here and click on this upload file, or you can simply go to your photos folder and here you can select the video. Okay, so here let's say that I just want to click on this recents and here I will select this video. So to upload this video to Google Drive, I will simply click on this share option, and from here I will scroll to the left and I will click on this more. Now I will scroll it down and select Google Drive. Now in the next step, you can upload your video to already existing folder or you can create a new folder. So here let's say that I just want to create a new folder. So it's done. In the final step, I will click on this upload. So this video is uploaded to my Google Drive. So to locate this video, I will simply open my Google Drive. Here you can see this was my folder. So if you can't see this folder, then you have to wait for a few minutes. It will be there after some time. Okay, so you have to refresh from here and your folder will exist on the top. So here I will simply click on this iPhone and this was my video. So to share this video, I will simply click on these three dots at the top and I will click on this share. Now here you have to manage your access, so I will simply click here. So right now it's restricted, so I will change it to anyone with the link. So once it's done, you can simply click on this at the top and here you can see the link is copied to the clipboard, and after that you can simply share this link to any person. Any person with the link will be able to see this video.